It seems to go so slow. Then when it happens, it seems so fast. Once within a psychological grip, once within responsive emergence, once within reptilian consciousness. The scream of fault, the empathy, the denial, the bloodlet, only baggage from this point on. Where does James Hird find gain? What responsibilities should I pass on to his burden? How many opinions should he attend to within this dangerous intersection of loss? How do leaders gain the necessary abilities to enter and navigate dangerous intersections? Once the path is enacted, the configurations of artifacts morph. The unseen is then seen. The terms of what I now see are the outputs of Hird's decisions. I have been altered by Hird's decisions. I now exert my opinion on Hird's decisions. When does a collective action stop and reset? When does normality resume control? Within a new place, on a new map, within a new landscape, a new environment of values and expectations, a new normality. Turn off and reset your abilities, your achievements and understandings. A historic cultural statement is to be told.